the day I am going to plant my Mariana tomatoes outside. So they're doing very nicely, and I'm going to show you my trick for planting tomatoes. First, you have to dig a really deep hole. You want to be able to bury your tomatoes quite deep so that they can grow more roots. Then I toss an egg in there, bottom of the hole, break it up, trim off a bunch of the extra leaves and branches on my tomatoes. This is going to allow me to plant them down deep into the hole. And you can see how the stem looks kind of fuzzy. It's because it's got all of those little, furs on it that are going to turn into roots once I put all this dirt around it. So then you can see I'm piling the dirt up and around it. That's going to give it lots of room to grow. It looks about half the size it was. Then you just water it in, and you're good to go. And there they are, happy in their new homes. My beets that were coming up so nicely here have disappeared. So I don't know what happened, but I'm going to finish cleaning these weeds out, and I'm going to plant my Scotia tomatoes here because I actually didn't plant anything here last year. I just let the asparagus grow. And then I'm going to plant my brandywines right there. And I know they're super close together. And even though I am going to save some seeds, I'm still going to do it. And I don't care if they cross-pollinate. Maybe I'll get some new fabulous breed of tomato. Speaking of survival, here is a carrot that came up from last year. So this one is going to go to seed this year. So I'm just going to let it. I'm going to leave it right where it is, and that's going to be all good. And these are some leeks that made it through the winter. Some of them are pretty tiny, but a couple of them are fairly good size. So yeah, they should also go to seed this year. And I will save them. The other thing I'm planting today are my survival seeds, red kidney beans. And let me show you where I'm going to put those. So I put 3 of them here on this trellis. And those are my Marianas over there. Being in that corner, I put 2 beans on that trellis. And I put 2 beans on this trellis. So, we've planted kidney beans.